Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video I will show you, is your iPhone Face ID already enabled on your iPhone but your phone keep asking for the password again and again. Same problem I also facing. So finally I have got the easy and some simple solution to fix this problem. What's actually happening, you need to know this guys. This is not a hardware issue. In most cases iPhone automatically disable Face ID in certain situation for security reason. You will face this type of problem when your iPhone is restarted. 48 hours passed without unlocking your iPhone, or Face ID failed multiple times, and in case the Apple ID password was changed on your iPhone, at that time you will face this type of problem. This is normal Apple security behavior guys. This is not a big problem. Just enter your passcode and unlock your iPhone. So also you need to remember one more thing guys. If your eyes are not detected properly due to glasses, marks or angle issue or low light issue, Face ID will fail and ask for the password. In some cases guys, your Face ID data was corrupted due to some security reason. One more reason is this guys, due to camera abstraction. Even small thing can block Face ID. Dust or oil will damage front camera, will cause this problem. Thick screen protector and phone cover also block your sensor. You need to remember this all thing guys. Now let's fix this problem step by step. First you need to turn off attention aware. To turn off this guys, you need to open your iPhone settings. In the iPhone settings, go to Face ID and password. Face ID and password is here. Open it, enter your passcode, scroll down, and here you need to find out attention aware feature. If the feature is on, you need to off this. This make Face ID more reliable. Okay, if you are facing this problem continuously, you need to turn off this feature temporary, and then you can turn it back after few days. And fix number 2 is this guys, you need to check Face ID permission. In the same setting, make sure these settings are on. iPhone unlock, App Store, iTunes. As you can see guys, this all option is here. You need to turn on this all option. Fix number 3 guys, you need to reset your Face ID. Most important, if this option is not working, you need to try this. In the Face ID setting, scroll down and find out reset Face ID. After resetting, then set it up again. In the good lighting, hold your iPhone straight. If you wear glasses, wear them during setup. Enable the Face ID with a marks. Here you can get the option Face ID with a marks. You need to also enable this option, and then close this. You need to restart your iPhone and wait for 30 seconds. Okay, after waiting, you need to turn back on your iPhone. It will fix your problem. So one more main important fix is guys, if you have not updated your iPhone from long time, check the iPhone update. If the update is available, simply go ahead, first of all update your iPhone, and after updating it will fix your problem. After doing this all methods, still the problem is same, you need to check this. If your iPhone had water damage, screen replacement, not original, or physical sensor damage, Face ID may stop working permanently. If you have any kind of issue, Apple does not allow third-party Face ID repair. You need to also remember this guys. Follow this step once and your Face ID will work smoothly again. If this video helped you out, so please like the video and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for more real world tech solutions. See you in the next one.